Wrestling with a crowded countertop packed with separate appliances, or waiting forever for a massive kitchen oven to preheat just to heat up a quick meal, only to end up with dried-out proteins or soggy fries, is an absolute nightmare that completely drains the joy out of cooking. Traditional toaster ovens give you uneven heat spots and basic dials that leave your meals a guessing game. The Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo completely rescues you from kitchen clutter and culinary guesswork, functioning as a high-powered, space-saving countertop workstation engineered to deliver rapid, chef-quality results at the touch of a button. Don't let its compact footprint fool you. This 1750W black powerhouse boasts a spacious 25-quart capacity that easily fits a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or up to 6 slices of toast. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its versatile 11-in-1 multi-cooking engine. Driven by advanced convection technology, it seamlessly switches between air frying, baking, broiling, dehydrating, and more, circulating superheated air to crisp food perfectly using up to 75% less oil than traditional deep frying. The sleek touchscreen control panel completely eliminates manual dials, lighting up to guide you through precise time and temperature adjustments effortlessly. Engineered to fit into a fast-paced, stress-free lifestyle, the Chef IQ MiniOven cooks up to 40% faster than conventional ovens, getting dinner on the table in a fraction of the time. It features integrated smart connectivity, allowing you to monitor your cook, access a massive library of guided recipes, and receive real-time notifications on your phone so you never burn a dish again. Complete with an easy-to-clean interior and premium accessories, including an air fry basket, baking pan, and wire rack, it is the ultimate, uncompromised kitchen upgrade for busy families, home chefs, and apartment dwellers who demand professional, high-velocity cooking convenience. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this 11-in-1 smart oven to air fry crispy wings or to bake fresh pizzas. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen appliances, cooking gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.